Assalamu alaikum, friends. I'll take some moments and would like to discuss about success the way I perceived it. You may agree, you may totally disagree, because this is something which is different for each soul. The way you are grown, the way you are taught, the way you react, the way you act, the way you celebrate, the way you are playing with your team members and achieving the results which you are expecting. So definitions may be different, but believe me, efforts are almost same. If one unfolds success, it's actually performance or achievement that is marked with honor. You reach success when you try your best in all aspects of everything you do, not a single thing, but everything you do. Even if that does not lead to big results, if you have done your best, you should feel proud of your effort. Inner satisfaction will always accompany you to celebrate it. Your worth is never measured with the salary or benefits you get. It's when you are respected and trusted among your peers, or even sometimes within your friends. What I learned from my 20 years of experience, being among professionals for over 20 years, I've been working with all types of colleagues and supervisors. I realized that there are two types of people around me. One who feel proud while working with me, and second who know how to get their objectives served from me without recognizing my contribution. Most of the time, all of us wait for recognition from the type second, which is actually our supervisors. It is not them to blame. It's actually my wrong choice or our wrong choice. You selected wrong place to celebrate your successes, to wait for your successes, to go for your success. In my opinion, give your fullest and never doubt, and always believe in yourself by knowing your worth. None can understand you better than you do yourself. So, what are the lessons? In my opinion, I have 3 to 4 points which I would like to share with you. Never compromise your self-esteem. It brings you perfection and confidence. Whenever you compromise, the society, the people, the second type people who are most of the time your supervisors, they will play with it, and they will lead you, and you will never reach to your destination, the goal you set for. Secondly, instead of going to frustration, reinvent yourself. Never give up. Your confidence will always lead you to places where you enjoy your presence. Thirdly, most of the time we try to please everyone, which in my opinion is impossible. Create empowerment atmosphere by being among those who truly appreciate your presence. Where your presence is felt, where your absence is felt. Try to be there with such people. Most of the time we compare ourselves with those who are at ease and with almost no deliverables. Instead, we should create our goals to reach those who contributed enormously and are known to everyone. It will always keep you climbing up in your professional career. Trust me, appreciation and applause never last for always. These are temporarily, and ultimately you are left with your thoughts. So learn to make them positive, and learn to lead your life, and learn to celebrate each success in your life. Thank you.